ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम गं गणपते नमः। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। श्री हरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरम् व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। उपदेष्टानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये सद्भिरेव प्रयत्नेन भिक्षणीया मुहुर्मुहुः। स्ववर्णाश्रमधर्मेण तपसा हरितोषणा साधनं प्रभवेत् पुंसां वैराग्यादि चतुष्टयम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शिवोऽहं 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 वही आत्मा सच्चिदानन्दमय हूँ। अमर आत्मा सच्चिदानन्दमय हूँ। अखिल विश्व का जो वह परमात्मा है सभी प्राणियों का वही आत्मा है। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। अमर आत्मा है मरणशील काया सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। जिसे सहस्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। है तारो सितारों में आलोक जिसका है चंदा व सूरज में आभास जिसका। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। जो व्यापक है कण कण में है वास जिसका। नहीं तीनों कालों में हो नाश जिसका। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। अमर आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। अजर और अमर जिसको वेदों ने गाया यही ज्ञान अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया। वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। अमर आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में गुरु हमारे प्राण सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। नारायण भगवान नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में गुरु हमारे प्राण सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव जय श्री गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है गुरु हमारे प्राण सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय नारायण भगवान श्रीमद् नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 शिव नारायण 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 ब्रह्मा नारायण 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 शक्ति नारायण 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 भैवन नारायण 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 शिव नारायण नारायण नारायण. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the peace within, joy within. Think and feel, I am the peace. I am the joy. I am the ocean of compassion. Infinite peace is within me. Joy is within me. I am cheerful. I am blissful. I feel blessed by the Lord, blessed by the Guru. My life is full of joy, full of wonderful garden with flower and the fruits of bliss. May the Lord guide us, inspire us, give us strength, your courage, your happiness, and give joy within. Hari Om Tassat, Hari Om. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm very happy looking all of you. The life is a divine blessing. Everyone is smiling with joy. Smiling is the heart. Smile and smile and smile. When you wake up early in the morning, smiling from the heart. When you see the first time early in the morning, everyone smile, and that whole day live with the spirit of joy. Life is a divine blessing. Life is a divine blessing. God sent us on this worldly planet. God sent this worldly planet. What is the real meaning of life? Life called Jivan. Life is a beginning, and that beginning should be full of harmony, peace, tranquility. Everyone wants in life harmony, peace, joy, happiness. But most important thing, Shanti, the peace. Everything you can get it what you want in life. Name, fame, money, house, children, husband, grandchildren, lot of property. Everything. But if you don't have inner peace, life is meaningless. Peace is always within us. Peace is not coming from outside. Shanti. Shanti, that is your nature. Then why we suffer? Why we are unhappy? Why you are sad? Why you are nervous? Because due to your own mind. The mind is a wonderful instrument. Mind think, mind called man, mente. Mind think Mind analyze, mind think good thing and bad thing. Sing the song which no one sing. Bring the thought no one thought and do the thing no one think. God has given thinking, the mind, that mind should be used properly to your peace of mind and around to live with you. Each word, each thought, each action performed, that should be coordinated from yourself. Mind think. Who give the strength to the mind? Now we have electricity, computer, and the light. This computer, this microphone is working because connect with the light. That power, invisible power is coming. Suppose now the electricity went, nothing will happen. It will be dark because that power is disconnected and you cannot see me, I cannot see you. The same as cosmic divine power is coming, is within us, but it is invisible. You cannot see so many things. You can see the sadness your face, unhappy face, joyful face, blissful face. That all connected the power of the self, the God. God attribute called Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sat Chit Anand. Without the God, nothing exists. Without the God, nothing exists. And the power of God, His force is coming every second, every moment. Moment that disconnect this power, we cannot hear, we cannot listen, we cannot talk, we cannot walk, we cannot do anything. That Atma, individual self, and Paramatma, the divine Paramatma, we call Satchid Anand. God exists or not? Where the God live? In the temple, in the church, in the synagogue, a mandir. Where the God live? How we can see Him? How can feel Him? God is always, every moment within us. You cannot separate you and the God. Have faith in the God. Shraddha, Bhakti, Karuna. Everything happen. God. You know the air which you inhale? Form of the God. The light is coming from the sun, the form of the God. Can you see without air? The air is the God manifest. When a hurricane come, now next month will hurricane, wind come, the form of the God. There is no form of the wind. God has no form, formless. But He appeared as a form because we understand the form. The God is Nirakar and Sakar. The word Nirakar means formless, infinite, omnipotent, omniscient. And Sakar is the form. We have the form. But before to born, we are formless. The God is give everything what you need. You must have complete Shraddha, means faith. Surrender the will of God. Everything happen by the will of the God. If you are totally surrendered, the will of the God, whole life we try to do collecting our material thing, We want our name, we want fame, house, children, everything want in the life. I want. And when you don't get what I want, that want convert in unhappiness and sad nervousness. You're right to plant the mango tree, but you cannot plant the fruits. Proper time, the mango will ready, the mango come. We have 5 mango in the ashram. Some are small, some are big. So you cannot plant the fruits, but you cannot plant the seed. And the tree, mango tree, will give mango, not orange or banana. So good action you do, good karma you do, you can change the quality of life. What is life? You need it. You need food, you need air, water, fire. Fire is within you. In the wood there is a fire. That wood, you have to put little bit fire and the fire will start. Fire is invisible. Air is invisible. So visible, invisible. Sakar, Nirakar. Whole life, the discovery of life to understand God realization, anubhuti, moksha, nirvana, self-realization. That is the purpose of human being. Doesn't matter you are householder, you are married, unmarried. You are Swami, your teacher, your guru, or normal teacher. You are businessman, doesn't matter who you are. But God first in the life. Start the day with the God. You understand what I'm saying? Fill the day with the God, and that is the way to the God. So many things we do, but we forget most important thing, Almighty Lord. My dear friend, take little time to connection, communion, union with the God. But don't pray the God's selfish motive. God, give me this, give me this, give me this. Only you will be unhappy if you don't get it. Pray, love, unconditional to the God. Even every person, you see the God is within you. Every mother is a divine cosmic mother. Some are the mother, some are not mother, future mother. So, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Purpose of life to realize the divine Lord within you. I'm very happy Devananda is there. Deva Ananda. Dev, the God. Ananda, the bliss. I give your name. Dev Ananda. That your nature of the being. My love and my good wishes is in everyone. Carmen is, now she is in Spain. Then looking me is Spain. No, I know you are in Melbourne, not in Miami. Liana, Karuna, Krishna, Josefina, Ram Rahim, Devi Jyoti, Mr. and Mrs. Devananda. Mr. Devananda, Mrs. Devananda, Mr. Devananda, yeah. So, what you want from you, what you want from your friend, what you from your wife or children or husband, what you expect something, I will say don't expect no one. Expectation cause of unhappiness. The spiritual life, very peaceful life, joyful life. God has sent us to do the good karma, good action, good deed. Don't look eyes, strange eyes for that. Look with the peaceful eye. Listen the good thing. God has given the ear. The ear called Khan. Listen the wonderful thing. Don't put garbage listening to the mind. Hand to do the work, do the good thing, good karma. Mouth talk wonderful thing. Mouth, mu, ma, bap. Ma means the mother. The God has given the mouth. Everyone has the mouth. Cat, dog, animal, human, everyone the mouth because to eat and talk. But we are not using this mouth properly. You eat anything what you want, but eat properly what's supposed to eat. You know, mouth is a wonderful instrument God has given. And that mouth and tongue use properly. Use your mouth. Each word you pronounce coming from the heart. Life of Buddha. Life of Raman Maharshi. Life of Arvindo. Life of Shivananda. Life of Rama. Life of Krishna. Life of Muhammad. All the divine person come. Gurus come to guide us, inspire us, and make a life a beautiful garden. Enter the garden, you feel happy early in the morning, walk in the garden, touching the flower, the wind's wonderful. Create your mind and your mouth, your intellect, coordination. Speak slowly, speak gently, and speak sweetly. Utter the word which can influence other people. Don't use your mouth and tongue to disharm other people. If you want to peace, word is God, God is word. Send the message, talking wonderful thing. We remember the Gurus. I am very blessed I got Satyananda, my Guru, Satyananda Paramahamsa. His Guru Swami Shivananda. The Guru tradition, Guru Parampara, tradition, he transmit. Guru connected to the Lord. Guru teach you, Guru guide you. What is the meaning of Guru? Guru and Shishya. Shishya, discipline, who follow the discipline. The Guru, the dispel of darkness in your personality, giver of knowledge and wisdom. Teaching yoga and meditation or all the system are talking wonderful thing, giving lecture, you don't be the Guru. Guru transmit, which is not available in the book. Transmit from the heart, and that love flows just like river of the love. River emerge in the ocean of joy. Be ocean of joy, ocean of love. This life, the first discovery of the God, experience the God existence within you, everything will be smooth, peaceful and joyful. We have total faith, total Shraddha on the God. When you talk, communicate, always have pause little bit. And that pause connected with pure energy. Now, I give chance to you, each and everyone, take 30-second one question. Anyone can talk, I'm not asking you. Everyone has allowed to ask me very simple question, 30 seconds. Start anyone. I'm not asking. Open your heart, and ask any you have doubt.
Hello. I have a question. So,
Tell your name.
hi. So, my name is Esmeralda.
Huh?
Thanks, Esmeralda.
Hmm.
And thanks for this time, by the way. I'm been going through a crisis.
I cannot see you.
Of course. So this is me.
Huh? Tell your question now, huh?
Yes. Hi. So I've been going through a crisis, and it's been hard to overcome. So I don't know how to feel my peace. That's my question.
Look, relax the front, relax the eyes, relax the nose, and think wonderful thing and smile. Remember one of the most beautiful thing in the life right now. Remember one thing. What is the beautiful thing happen in life? Tell me now. What is the wonderful thing happen life?
On my life,
Yeah, wonderful thing happen.
a wonderful thing that happened.
Yes.
I have 2 kids, 2 beautiful kids.
And they smile,
Yes.
smile and smile. You are a wonderful mother. I want you should be my mother. Yes, you want to be mother?
Yes.
No. Yes, I'm your fourth son. Look, live right now. Just like now you are, again, don't cry, my dear friend. I love you, you're my mother. Oh, mommy. Just live right now. Forget past, forget future. Don't keep your mind back. Past is past. Future is mystery. Live right now. That is a message for you. Every moment, live right now. And you will be happy. Okay, another, second one.
Thank you.
Okay. Another one. Any question? Quickly. Mr. His Holiness Devananda.
I don't have a question, but maybe yes. How?
You like your name, Mr. or Mrs. Devananda or Mr. Devananda?
Devananda,
Mr. or Mrs.?
take a submission.
Are you Mrs. or Mr.?
Mister,
I like. You know, one person called me and he said, "Can I talk with Mr. Ashram?" I said, "Mr. Ashram or Mrs. Ashram?" Ashram, the place which I live. Continuous Shram. I work with physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. This is the place to transmit the wisdom and knowledge. And the Swami live the place called Ashram. But he said Mrs. Ashram. So everyone think in their own way. Thank you. Live right now. Another second message. I like your Dev Ananda. You know, my Guru gave the name Brahma Vidya Nanda. I give your name Dev Ananda. You are very blessed. You have to change me $20 million by check, but don't sign in the check. Send me the check without sign 20 million. Don't write Devananda. You know? So send me $20 million check to me. That is good karma. Are you going to send $20 million?
no problem.
No, yes, send, but don't sign. One person send me the $5,000. Swamiji, I'm going to send you $5,000. Okay. And I went to the bank, and the banker said, "Senor, él no tiene firma de senor." So, write your name of joy and happiness, Mr. Devananda. Hello?
I have
Yeah.
a question.
Huh.
Um,
Smile and they say, smiling you ask the question me. You know how to smile?
okay. So, yeah.
Huh.
So, BG.
Yes, sir.
Question is, how we're learning to connect to the heart and then have this spiritual discipline, and how to deal with people around that we see the differences that we want to talk heart and we want to, but how do we deal when we encounter the differences?
Give them smile. Do anything for them without expectation. Don't expect from them just what they are. Doesn't matter your wife, your children, your brother, your sister, granddaughter, grandson, grandfather. Don't expect anything, just give. Don't expect anything for them and do your karma, good deed, and you can change the quality of life. Speak slowly with them with sweetly smiling. Speak less, do your karma, don't expect anything from them. Doesn't matter your wife, your children, your brother, your sister. Just give, give, give. Every action with coming from the mouth, with give the peace and happiness. Joy and happiness. Time out. Another one. This is we are in a, Miss.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Muy bien, gracias.
I speak Spanish, but I'm very well. And yourself?
Oh, yo estoy contento. Muy feliz, muy alegre.
My name is Monica.
Yes.
My question for you
Yeah.
is, how do you find it in yourself to forgive someone for deep pain?
First, forget yourself. Don't forget other people. Forgive yourself. Every person, their weakness, strength, need and expectation. The forward, weakness, strength, need and expectation. So you forget yourself what your other person do and what you have done other people. Be good and do good. Be humble and be simple, and you will be happy. Give respect them, don't expect anything. Be humble, be simple. And final one, live right now. Live right now. What happened with the relation past is past. What happened you don't know. Learn to live a right now with joyful and happy. Send me the message in telepathic message without talking. You send the thought, I will receive your thought. And we do telepathic, we can do. You know, telephone, television, and telepathy. So also, you learn telepathy with your son, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, grandchildren, and me. How many children you have?
I have 2 children.
I'm third one. I'm
I want a
third.
third one.
Now I have one mom, another mom. Till that, from today, I'm your son. Today you say Swamiji your son. Swamijito. You know? My name is Swamijito. You understand me? So live right now. All the problem is solved. Live right now. What I say? Live right now. Okay. Another one. Look. Now everyone else have to sing Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Say, everyone. Hari Om Namah Shivaya. People, I am not here listening to you. Listen. Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om Guruji. You don't have to sing, you only sing this song. Tengo mucho hambre, tengo mucho hambre, tengo mucho hambre. Yo tengo amigo, su nombre es Jesús. Jesús me llama todos los días 12 de la noche. Tengo teléfono de él, ¿quiere teléfono? 777-04-2439. Ese teléfono de Jesús de Nazaret. Cualquier problema, any problem, you can call directly to Jesus Christ. 777-421-31-24. Recibe el teléfono de Jesús. Learn every moment. Happy, contentment, not too much expectation to anyone. Problem happen, we expect too much other relation. Don't expect anything from me. I cannot make miracle, but I can give my wonderful smile. If you don't have children, tell me, Swamiji, your son. Adopt me and send me the millions of dollars. My bank account, I'll have $60 million already. I want $100 million. You can send whatever money here. Money, no money. No money, no honey. मिलता है सच्चा सुख केवल भगवान तुम्हारे चरणों में. मिलता है सच्चा सुख केवल गुरुदेव तुम्हारे चरणों में. यह विनती है पल पल छिन की, जो ध्यान तुम्हारे चरणों में. मिलता है सच्चा सुख केवल भगवान तुम्हारे चरणों में. गुरुदेव तुम्हारे चरण. Why Swamiji is singing all the time? What is singing? Singing, releasing the blockages. Part of Bhakti Yoga. If you don't have any mantra, sing Om. Sing it. If you don't have mantra, sing your own name. I used to stay in my Guruji Satyananda Paramahansa ashram in India. The one person from Indonesia, father was general, military general. He sent his son. His name is Abdullah. We have Ram Rahim. So Abdullah was 21 years old boy. His son, he come to the ashram. He was Muslim. And he was very terrible person. Not Abdullah is not terrible. It's okay. Then another Abdullah, I'm talking Indonesia. And his father says, he bring to the ashram from Indonesia. And Swamiji says, Swamiji, take my son and you can change his personality. So Abdullah was living in the ashram. We together, 1971. The Swamiji give him mantra. That mantra, his own name, Abdullah. So he said, repeat 108 times your own name, or every time, Abdullah, Abdullah, Abdullah. And he was 6 months here doing his own name, Abdullah. And he went to Swamiji, Swamiji, I like my name, I like my mantra, Abdullah, Abdullah. And he changed total personality. Mantra is a vibration. The word is vibration. Mantra is Bhakti Yoga, Bhakti Shakti, energy. The repeating mantra, you receive the strength, courage, harmony. Doesn't matter you are Muslim, Christian, Hindu, Jewish. I'm nowhere. I don't belong to religion. I'm not Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jews. I'm everywhere. I'm humble servant of everyone. Be the mind calm and quiet. Mantra, manatrayate, who eliminates the obstacle. Mantram practices, just like a Ganesh mantra, Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Ramaya Namaha, Lord Rama mantra, Om Krishnaya Namaha, Krishna of Lord, Om Durgaya Namaha. This mantra helps you to bring peace, harmony, tranquility, calmness. I received mantra from my Guru in my dream. I have received my initiation in my dream before to see him. The mantra and kirtan, bhajan. When you sing the kirtan and the bhajan, that create harmony of brain, all obstacles disappear. So every day bhakti yoga should come. Bhakti brings the love and compassion. Bhakti is the emotional and devotional temperament. Karma yoga, dynamic temperament. Raj yoga, rational temperament. And Jnana yoga, psychic and intellectual temperament. The four types of yoga, karma, bhakti, raj and jnana. Four types of personality, dynamic, emotional, rational, intellectual. The four types of yoga, four types of personality. The practicing yoga, teaching yoga, you change your personality other people. But bhakti yoga is a common. Bhakti means the love, the devotion. So practice yogic life, practice yogic life, make a life simple and be happy. Be happy, be joyful. Yoga Priya asked me the question which I don't know. Any question?
For people that are starting this path, Swamiji, and they're trying to be, to quiet the mind and the worries and preoccupations, what specific exercise would you recommend them right now that they could do on a daily basis?
Be the good friend of mine and tell them, my dear friend, now we are friends, so we should talk good thing. If you become a friend of mine, that mind going to help you. Mind, don't be enemy, don't force him, because enemy always try to make some trouble. So wonderful thing, from today you start, be a friend of mine. And that mind say, my dear friend, where you want to go? Beach? Have a swimming? You want to go movie? Yes. You want to eat nice food? I can prepare for you. So if you become a friend of mine, that mind will always help you. I am friend. I have my boss. My boss is my friend and he cook the food for me. Sometimes he become angry. He say, you don't cut the grass. I'm not going to breakfast to you. And my boss, sometimes angry, sometimes good. I become a friend of my boss and the boss may help. Who is that boss? Me and my boss. So be a friend of your mind, and that good friend change the quality of life. Nothing else. The good friend always. So you tell, my dear friend, mi mente, yo quiero su amigo. ¿Qué tengo que hacer para ti, para complacer? Si un amigo, algo hace amigo, pero gente enemigo, tú eres tal, tú eres tal. Never utter negative thing in mind. Never think any negative thing. Mind can help you. Good friend. Be a friend of mind. Sea amigo de su mente. Su mente ayudará para conseguir todo lo que usted quiera. Y su mejor amigo tiene que hablar con su hija, es mejor amiga. Amber is a mejor amiga. Talk with her, she will be your psychologist. I have one doctor his name is Krishna Bhatta. He is a doctor, lives in Houston. He has a daughter, Uma, and two sons. So what we do, one funny thing, every day while doing breakfast, wife and children, he will ask every day the question, what do you think? He'll ask the question, he takes suggestion from your son, your wife, children, what do you think? He will ask them, give me some suggestion. And his daughter say, Uma, Daddy, you ask me every day what do you think? You always do what you want to do, what do you ask me? I said, there is some time when you give me suggestion, I follow one thing every day to you, what you say. Because daughter will give suggestion from the heart, she will never harm your dad. He give respect your husband, your children, your son, your daughter. Giving respect, receive respect. Because sometimes we say, I am mother, I am father, I am son, and control, order, ego. Be humble, be simple. Our enemy is anger, worries, preoccupation, and fear. Be fearless, not to fear no one. Anger, no worries, and no ego. The best way, these four enemy of our person: anger, worries, preoccupation, and fear. This should be your friend. Mr. Worry and Mrs. Worry. Mr. Anger and Mrs. Anger. Mr. Ego and Mr. Ego. Tell them you are not Mr., you are not Mrs., you are just my friend. Be a friend of anger. When anger comes, my dear friend, anger, just calm and quiet. Calm and quiet. Your anger. Mr. Ego. Mr. Ego, just calm and relax. Be a friend. So be a friend of anger, worry, preoccupation, fear, and ego. Which the last time, tell me, which the last time you become angry, I'm talking about Krishna. Which the last time you become angry? Which time you become angry last time? Krishna.
Last night.
So what the anger say to you? You talk with her? Or her or him? Him. So, negative thing should channelize in positive. We spend too much energy negative thing than positive. We channelize. I was in my rooms, lie down and thinking. I don't think what I'm going to talk with all of people. Let insight come within you. Let the divine guide me. I'm an instrument of joy instead of guru. I don't know anything. Someone guide me, inspire me. I have total faith in my guru. Satyananda guide me. God help me to give the wonderful word in my mouth. Be a good instrument. Hello, Mr. Yogi. Good guy. You angry with him? Or he angry on you? Krishna. He angry with you or you angry with him, Mr. Yogi?
No, I'm not angry with him. Always happy with him.
Yeah. Laura, I have a question for you.
Yes, Swamiji.
When last time you become a smiling from the heart, which you smiled last night?
Yeah,
Yes. Why you smiling?
I laugh at myself.
Good.
I laugh at my anger.
Good girl. So anyhow, Mr. Abdullah. Oh, Socorro, ¿cómo está? Linda, bonita, bella. ¿Quiere que usted sea mi madre? Socorro.
Harion, Swamiji, aquí estoy
¿Quiere que usted sea mi madre?
con el mayor gusto, Swamiji.
Ay, madre gusto. Bueno, tengo que dejar ese cuerpo, convierto en un nene chiquito.
Para mí es un honor, Swamiji. Muchas gracias.
Voy a rezar a Madre Cósmico. Ese mantra es muy importante para que usted mayor, esta madre está aquí. Ya Namo Deve Mahadeve Sivaye Tatam Nama Nama Prakriti Bhadraye Nitaye Prantam Sam Rodraye Nam Nityaye Gotrahatre Namo Nama Josnaye Bindurapiye Josnaye Namo Nama Kalyanaye Pranatam Buddha Siddhakurme Namo Nama Niruttevtam Lakshaye Devaye Namo Nama Durgaye Durgaparaye Saraye Sarukaraye ख्याते तथैव कृष्णाय धूम्राय सतं नमः अतिसौम्यादि रौद्राय नस्तातस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठाय कृते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्यत्याभितते या देवी भूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता या देवी श्रुते निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता तृष्णारूपेण स्थिता कांति रूपेण स्थिता जाति रूपेण संस्थिता लज्जा रूपेण स्थिता शांति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धा रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कांति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम say everyone ओम शक्ति 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 ओम ब्रह्मा शक्ति विष्णु शक्ति शिव शक्ति ओम आदि शक्ति ओम देवी शक्ति ओम गुरु शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शांति 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 शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम हरि ओम।